Did you know your snoring can lead to serious health risks like stroke and even heart attack? According to the Cleveland Clinic, snoring can increase your risk of serious health conditions. Heightened blood pressure can be an early warning sign that your snoring is causing more serious health problems. Other anti-snoring techniques don't really target the root cause. It's the soft tissue falling back in your throat. ZQuiet is an anti-snoring mouthpiece that provides immediate relief gently by moving your jaw forward. ZQuiet is the easiest way to end your snoring for good. It'll work the first night you try it. Since I started using ZQuiet, I've stopped snoring altogether, and I feel more rested and more alert during the day, and my blood pressure is now in a safe and healthy range. Your snoring may be seriously affecting your health. You need to try ZQuiet.